As the semester begins to wind down, it's hard to believe how much has changed. Our virtual mode of instruction is now the new normal, and while it has created and will continue to create challenges, it has also offered an opportunity. In student affairs, engaging students is at the heart of our work. So for me, it is more important than ever to ensure we are doing exactly that in an online environment. As you may know, we have created a dedicated website to share how our departments continue to focus on student health, well-being, community, career readiness, and so much more in this new reality. Throughout the month of April, student affairs departments have risen to the challenge of meeting students where they are. For our essential employees, that means right here on campus through university housing and the health center. For others, it means taking our support services to online appointment methods, meetings, and workshops. Additionally, to engage our students, we have had online town halls, art exhibits, cooking tutorials, yoga lessons, meditation sessions, and so much more. This has not been easy for any of us, but I truly believe that united as a Bronco family, we will emerge even stronger. Each of us in student affairs echoes the entire CPP community when we say, we are CPP together.